picture A or picture B?
A.
Beautiful. So it's called gravity. Picture A is vandalism or art? Art or vandalism?
Street art.
Interesting hour. Some people think gravity is art, but others think it is vandalism. So, today we are learn about analytical exposition. Next, you will learn how to expressing your opinion, giving your argument, and make a conclusion about gravity confidently and correctly.
Butuh isi.
Okay, please read this situation together. Okay, well, how should we think about this issue? It is gravity, it's vandalism or art?
Street art.
I think gravity can be artist, but it can also be vandalism if it is made without permission. Lomba diri, Mas.
I think I have a same opinion with Mbak Wawa, Miss. Gravity also is street art, but if we don't have permission to do it, it becomes vandalism.
Okay, thank you. So, now please open your textbook, page 20. So, analytical exposition.
Skateboard, Pak.
Dan yang ketiga itu ada reiteration atau conclusion dari teks. Dan yang keempat itu adalah mention satu positif dan satu negatif dari grafik. Understand? I will give you 4 minutes. Is enough or not?
Untuk SMP.
Ya, makanya perhatikan.
Graffiti can be seen from two different perspectives, as art and as vandalism. Sampai sini.
Thank you. It's correct or not? Correct. Siapa yang salah jawabannya kayak punyanya Duna? Saya. Oke, Paiji, siapa yang mau jawab? Bisa. Paiji. Oh, ada.
Graffiti can be a powerful way for young people to express creativity and artistic skill. And argument two, graffiti can cause problems when it is done illegally without permission in buildings and public spaces.
Oke, thank you, Laura. For the third Then I will divide you into two group. Jadi ini dari sini boleh pindah ke sini, boleh pindah ke sini. Jadi udah mau nggak mau? Nah, group B. Ya, let's go. For the first group, as street artist on the floor, and then the second group as the shop owner of Helta Group. Each group must discuss and print a short analytical exposition text about the event. Listen in front of class through role play called City Continuity. Then the street artist group. Okay, the street artist group. Must discuss about support graffiti is art, and then the shop owner is agree graffiti is vandalism. Do you understand? And then you type show content structure, and you must use expression in my opinion, in our opinion, I think, blah blah blah. Okay, understand nggak? Understand. I'll give you 5 minutes. How many minutes? 3. After you finish this work, I need each group represent 3 people to inform us. Okay? Okay. You done? Have you done?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, the street art, please. Siapa mau lagi lagi? Yang sekarang tuh.
Kelompok.
Ayo, Marisa.
Malu lagi.
3 orang kalau sudah.
3 orang.
Ya.
Kelompoknya alright.
Have you finished? Oke, Dimas. Timo. Dimas Maisa Nah. So the shop owner group. 3 people please. Siapa yang maju?
Ya, ya, ya.
Group 2, 3 orang. Ya.
Artis.
Siapa? Ayo, ayo, ayo. Ayo, juga. Ayo, Kakak.
Saya Pak Isbu. Ini bayar lagi. Ini bayar lagi.
Oke.
Ya, lama posisi dulu sih ya.
Sudah? Siap? Okay, now let's begin our role play city council meeting. Please pay attention and listen carefully to each group's opinion. Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss an important issue. Should graffiti be considered art of vandalism? First, let's share the opinion from the street art.
Thank you. I believe graffiti is an art because it allows people to express creativity and ideas. Graffiti can make old buildings more colorful and interesting. It also helps artists share message with society. Many people enjoy graffiti because every artwork is unique. Therefore, graffiti should be appreciated as a modern art.
Thank you. Now let's hear from the shop owner.
Thank you. I disagree. Graffiti is vandalism because many people paint on walls without permission. Shop owner must spend money cleaning graffiti. It can also make public place look dirty and unsafe. Therefore, graffiti should not be accepted as art when it's
graffiti is illegal. Some graffiti is made with permission, so it can make public places become more colorful.
I agree that some morals are beautiful, but however, many graffiti artists still paint harshly on public places. Many street artists will think about it.
I think artists should use legal space. They should respect public property.
That is true. Many shop owners feel upset because they must clean the walls.
Shop owner, do you think graffiti always give negative effect?
Not always. Not always. Some graffiti can be creative, but illegal graffiti still causes problem.
Okay, then street artists, do you have final response?
Yes, I think graffiti should be to sell graffiti, but not to make public space.
So, whether you opinion the artist should ask for permission before painting?
Yes, I agree.